Boop. All right. I'm attempting to do an unboxing of this Core 21 pack of Magic cards for my friends at Top Deck City and see how it goes. All right. Ooh, sexy Knight token. Can't tell you how many of those I have. Yeah, Forest, even better. Ooh, 9 lives. What a crappy rare. Alright, Obsessive Stitcher. He's okay. Hey, Wildwood Scourge isn't bad. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Hey, Radiant Fountain. I'll take it. This guy's kind of useful. Kate Zambi. Liliana Stewart. Yeah. Hey, Colossal Dreadmaw. There we go. That's the best card in the pack. Opt. And Makeshift Battalion. So, pretty much garbage.